In accordance with the instruction of President Ilham Aliyev, special improvement works have begun in Baku and Absheron villages since 2019. Using the example of the village of Balakhani, we have witnessed a successful experience. This process continues in the villages of Mehriban, Novkhani, Emirjan, Ramana. Indeed, the old Pirshaghi will also be transformed. The main goal of the work is to improve the living conditions of the local population, their comfortable living. Pirshaghi has historically been considered a favorable area for climate therapy. The ultimate goal is to improve the environmental situation.
Mənzərə açılacaq. Məscid yanı bir park.
Improvement works are provided both in active buildings and in open spaces. In the central part opposite the mosque, a park is expected to be lit in accordance with the traditions of Oriental gardening. In the center of the Charbagh traditional park, there will be a swimming pool from where a four-way road branches off. Improvement works also positively affect the employment. The vast majority of those involved in the process are local residents. The food production in Pirshaghi to become one of the most attractive tourist destinations in the post-pandemic period is not excluded.
Şanı üzümü vardı həmişə. Ağşanı, qara şanı.
40-50 mindən əkmişik. Bəli, davam edirik.
Həmən o sortdan.
4 sort əkirik halarız. Orada ağdayı sortunda var, qara şanı, ağşanı.
Bal kimi.
The restoration and discovery of historical monuments is one of the main goals of landscaping. In this sense, one of the monuments to be restored and preserved is the bathhouse Hacı Şahverdi Hamamı. It's also known as Gum Hamamı to the local residents. The foundation work for reconstruction and repair was laid in Pirshaghi. It's expected that the renovation process will cover Merdekan, Buzovna, Meshtaga within the year. These projects being implemented in the Absheron villages are of particular importance, both from a historical point of view and existing realities. First of all, the styles of the local architectural school, its unique color shades, are revived and passed on to the future generations. If we look at the post-war realities and the existing pandemic, it's clear that our economic power has grown significantly, and even despite global challenges, not a single social project has been reduced.